Things you should avoid doing with your cockatiels. 1. Avoid loud noises. Cockatiels have sensitive hearing, and loud noises can cause them stress and anxiety. Avoid playing loud music, shouting, or sudden loud sounds near their living area. It's best to keep their environment calm and peaceful. 2. Don't force interaction. Cockatiels, like all birds, have individual personalities and comfort levels with human interaction. If your cockatiel shows signs of discomfort or fear, such as hissing, biting, or fluffing up, don't force them to interact. Allow them to approach you on their terms. 3. Avoid sudden movements. Sudden movements can startle cockatiels, leading to stress and even potential injury. Approach their cage and interact with them in a gentle and slow manner. This helps them feel more at ease and builds trust over time. 4. Don't use harmful cleaning products. Cockatiels are sensitive to chemicals and fumes. Avoid using cleaning products that contain strong chemicals, such as bleach or ammonia, in their vicinity. Opt for bird-safe cleaning solutions to ensure their well-being. 5. Avoid toxic foods. Some foods are toxic to birds, including cockatiels. Never feed them avocados, chocolate, caffeine, alcohol, or foods with high salt or sugar content. These can lead to severe health issues or even be fatal. 6. Avoid overcrowded cages. Cockatiels need adequate space to move around, stretch their wings, and exercise. Avoid keeping them in overcrowded cages, as this can lead to stress and health problems. Choose a cage size that allows them to spread their wings fully without touching the sides. 7. Don't ignore their diet. A balanced and nutritious diet is essential for the health of cockatiels. Avoid feeding them only seeds, as this can lead to nutritional deficiencies. Include a variety of fresh vegetables, fruits, high-quality pellets, and occasional treats suitable for their species. 8. Avoid smoking around them. Secondhand smoke is harmful to birds, including cockatiels. Smoking around them can lead to respiratory issues and other health problems. Maintain a smoke-free environment to ensure their well-being. 9. Don't use Teflon cookware. Teflon-coated cookware, when heated to high temperatures, can release toxic fumes that are lethal to birds. Avoid using such cookware in your home, especially in areas where your cockatiels are present. 10. Avoid using your hands as toys. While it's important to interact with your cockatiels, avoid using your hands as toys. This can lead to confusion about proper social interactions and potentially result in aggressive behavior. Provide appropriate toys and purchase for them to play with and enjoy. Remember, cockatiels thrive in an environment where they feel safe, secure, and understood. Taking the time to learn about their behavior, needs, and preferences will help you build a strong bond and provide them with a happy and healthy life.